Hi there, my name is Kat Gorlick from T. Barclay Real Estate on Russell Island, and we are here today at 1 to 3 Zircon Street. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house on 2 blocks of land that is selling for expressions of interest. So come on, let's go through and have a look. So we are just on Centre Road, and the property is also on Zircon Street. Across the road we have Reserve. So the house is on a 620 metre squared block. It does need substantial amount of work inside, needs a full refit inside. Structurally it looks pretty good. So this is one of the bedrooms. Needs new flooring. Has a built-in wardrobe. And the second bedroom here looks out to the second block of land, which is a 665 metres squared, big block. Conservation across the road over there. Bathroom. So it does have a little bit of damage there. It looks like from a dog, potentially, that was locked in. Living area is large, has all points for foxtel aerials. And phone point for NBN. Does need a few new windows in there. Kitchen. So yeah, a little bit of work needed before being livable. And it has chipboard under the flooring, so that could easily be lifted. And in here, separate laundry and separate toilet. So I'll head outside and show you under the house and also the other block. So I don't know if you can see this, but it's all raised off the ground. Looks like treated timber, stumps and end caps, and all hardwood, or yeah, I'm not sure, but timber frame. So the boundary for the front place is roughly here. It's on 2 titles. So the septic tank is there, and I think the septic trenches are just out here, but you'd have to confirm that with council. This is the second title, 665 metres squared, and across the road there is all conservation. So this is Zircon Street. So we have access from Centre Road and Zircon Street. And the second block goes all the way to this survey marker. Right here. So this is the land here. Ideal if you want to build another dwelling and live in the house while building, or as a rental, getting potentially $300 a week. And you can always sell the block too, as it's on a second title. So many options. And this is all conservation zoning here. Nice and private. So thanks for watching. Yeah, as you can see, the house does need a bit of work. Would suit a first home buyer or an investor, builder, someone who can do the work. We are looking for expressions of interest, so give me your offer, your best offer, and those will close on 5 o'clock, Friday the 21st of April. So get in touch, send me an email, give me a call, and let me know if you'd like to make an offer. So look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.